Okay. Can you introduce yourself in brief?
Sir, myself Iqbal Hussain. Myself Iqbal Hussain. I am from Maharajganj, Uttar Pradesh. I passed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut. With 81.4%. I also got uh, Pandit Madhusudan Kak Sword Padak, and I passed my diploma in Mechanical Engineering from Government Polytechnic Siddharthnagar with 81.4% and with first division with honor. I passed my high school from Bishop Academy Senior Secondary School, Maharajganj with 80%. I did 1 month summer training from IOCL Refinery, Guwahati in 2023 during my third year. In during my summer training in IOCL, my basically the internship in mechanical maintenance section in IOCL. Under this department, I got training of mechanical maintenance of pumps in MSQU, Motor Speed Quality Upgradation section, and also working of nitrogen plant, how we can extract nitrogen from air. And the third plant is hydrogen generation plant. Basically, in hydrogen generation plant, I go through the process how the hydrogen is generated. And I also did 1 month summer training from Banaras Locomotive Works, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, in 4 shocks: maintenance service shop, sheet metal shop, heavy machine shop, and heat treatment shop. In Banaras Locomotive Varanasi, basically in 2000 before 2029 2090 their diesel locos are made, but after 2090 basically electric locos are made in BLW. Thank you, sir.
So, Iqbal, you have the great experience of the many industries as well as like IOCL, Loco Polit, and all. So, can you tell me the full form of IFFCO in our company?
Indian Farmers Fertilizer Limited. Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, IFFCO.
And what is the full form of IOCL?
Indian Oil Corporation Limited.
Okay, what is the organization? What is the difference between organization and limited?
Sir, basically, limit when we come in limited, that it is basically defined on the ventures are you can say the ownership. In limited, it may be cooperative, or it may be the individuals, or it may be the group, the board of director who lead the company. But in organization, basically, it is if any uh, if any factory or any company is led by the government above 49 or 50%, then this comes under the organization, or it comes under PSU. But if that organization the government captured less than 50% share, then this comes in under limited. Like BPCL is before 2023, it's come under PSU. But when the government kept his share from 50%, then the BPCL become private nowadays.
Okay, IOCL is PSU or not?
Not PSU.
And IFFCO?
It was a cooperative, not a PSU, not MNC. But it has four international venture: Jordan, uh, Oman, UAE, United Arab Emirates, Dubai, or Senegal.
Okay, great. So, can you tell me what is the main purpose of heat treatment?
Yes, sir. Sir, heat treatment of sheet. If we do the heat treatment of sheet, then we can increase the ductility and the grain structure of the metal.
This is
Because
just a okay. This is the just single purpose of heat treatment to increase the ductility.
sir, if we can do the heat treatment for, sir, if you want to increase the duct, sir, if we draw the sheet from cold roll, to refine the grain structure and
No,
to
forget about the rolling and all the thing. I just want to know what is the main purpose of heat treatment?
to refine grains and to make the to increase the ductility of the metal in case of
अच्छा, इकबाल जी ये बताइए कि हमने एनिलिंग की, एनिलिंग में तो हमने नहीं
grain.
किया, एनिलिंग में हमने किया क्या ग्रेन स्ट्रक्चर चेंज,
Yes, sir.
डक्टिलिटी बढ़ी क्या?
No, no, sir.
आप तो कह रहे हैं हीट ट्रीटमेंट इसीलिए किया जाता है कि डक्टिलिटी बढ़े। क्वेंचिंग हीट ट्रीटमेंट प्रोसेस है या नहीं है? क्वेंचिंग इज ए हीट ट्रीटमेंट प्रोसेस और नॉट? Heat treatment, like the quenching is heat treatment process or not?
Induction
No,
it is
quenching.
a quenching is surface hardening process. If you want to
No, quenching come in heat treatment process or not?
sir, it comes under heat treatment because if you want to increase
Okay,
the
okay. Leave. First you define, we go for the heat treatment because we just want to increase the ductility. But in quenching, we are not increasing ductility. We increase the hardness itself. It's like the reduce the ductility.
no, sir. Sir, if you want to increase, if you want a hard surface on the upper layer, not inside our whole side of the part, then we
Got your
do
point.
the
I got your point. I just want
carbon,
to, I just again repeat the question. Why we go for the heat treatment processes?
sir, to get the desired surface.
Yeah, now you got the point. Heat in the particular, there is there is no any region like this, like doing the trial or whatever. Heat treatment gone, we just need the desired property in our
Uh,
material. That's why we go for the heat treatment. Okay. So can you tell me the difference between tampering and quenching?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, sir, if when we melt any metal, then if we solidify the metal under furnace or under still air or under vacuum, then it get desired shape or fine particles or fine structure, fine grain structure, ferrite, perlite. But if we directly solidifies under water, directly reducing the temperature, not in still air or in hardness, then it is called tempering. But in water quenching or in oil quenching, we increase the temperature less than recrystallization temperature, and then we
Okay.
put that parts in water or oil dip
So,
or heat treatment.
so for in the heat treatment, we go for the melting temperature or not?
No, sir, below recrystallization temperature.
Now you're telling that from the
Martin site,
no,
we
you are telling that in the we are solidify the melted metal in the furnace. It's called
sir, I say
tempering.
I says when we uh, when we solidify parts in uh,
मेल्ट होता भी है हीट ट्रीटमेंट में या नहीं?
एवर रिक्रिस्टलाइजेशन जब जाते हैं सर, एवर
नहीं तो
रिक्रिस्टलाइजेशन
मेल्ट होता है या नहीं? मेल्ट होगा तभी तो सॉलिड होगा ना, सॉलिडिफिकेशन तभी होगा ना। मेल्ट करते भी है या नहीं हीट ट्रीटमेंट में?
नहीं करते, एवर रिक्रिस्टलाइजेशन टेम्परेचर जाते हैं
Then why are you telling that when we go for the solid phase to liquid, मतलब solidify करते हैं melting phase से?
सर। एवर रिक्रिस्टलाइजेशन टेम्परेचर जब जाते हैं तो सर जब उसको हम कूल करते हैं तो उसका प्रॉपर्टी चेंज जाता है। अगर हम डायरेक्टली एवर रिक्रिस्टलाइजेशन टेम्परेचर 1400 डिग्री सेल्सियस 1500 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे जा रहे हैं, उसको डायरेक्ट हम वाटर पे होता है। जैसे कि ग्लास होता है टेम्प मतलब सॉलिड नहीं होता है, एमॉर्फस होता है। अगर उसको हम एवरेज क्रिस्टलाइजेशन टेम्परेचर को अगर हम इंडक्शन क्या था स्टील एयर या फर्नेस में कूलिंग करेंगे तो सर उसका जो स्ट्रक्चर होगा वो परलाइट बनेगा, फाइन परलाइट बनेगा, कोर्स परलाइट बनेगा। अगर फर्नेस में करेंगे तो कोर्स परलाइट बनेगा, अगर स्टील एयर में करेंगे तो फाइन परलाइट बनेगा सर।
Okay,
मेल्ट
good. Like, what is the difference between nitriding and cyaniding? What is the difference?
sir, it is a surface hardening process, but sir, sorry sir, I can't. So it is surface hardening process. We use
Okay, अगर हम क्विंचिंग मीडियम की बात करें तो हम कौन से क्विंचिंग मीडियम में हमें कूलिंग रेट सबसे ज्यादा मिलेगी?
सर अगर थीन सेक्शन होता है तो उसको हम वाटर ऑयल क्विंचिंग करते हैं, अगर थिक सेक्शन होता है तो वाटर क्विंचिंग करते हैं।
मैं जस्ट पूछ रहा हूँ कि मुझे कूलिंग रेट हाईएस्ट चाहिए, तब किस मीडियम में मिलेगी?
सर थिकनेस मेटल का क्या हो
मुझे क्विंच मुझे कूलिंग रेट हाईएस्ट चाहिए। इट
सर
डजेंट मैटर कि मटेरियल में कितना थिकनेस है।
सर अगर थीन थीन सीट को अगर सर हम वाटर क्विंचिंग करेंगे हाई रेट मिलेगा, लेकिन सर उसमें रैप रैप हो सकता है। लेकिन अगर सर
चलिए
थिक
छोड़िए, एक थिक मटेरियल है और मुझे इसमें हाईएस्ट कूलिंग रेट चाहिए, अब बताइए किसमें क्विंच करूँ? व्हाट?
वाटर वाटर में सर विस्कस डेंसिटी
अच्छा, like can you tell me the how many like how much medium like how many mediums we are used for the quenching process?
सर वाटर क्विंचिंग, ऑयल क्विंचिंग।
And have you heard about brine quenching?
सर वाटर
So in
सोल्यूशन।
which, so like in which type of quenching we get the highest cooling rate?
सॉरी सर।
Okay, now you tell me the difference between damping and normalizing.
सर normalization is a process in which we can सॉरी सर।
तो बताइए, मुझे अपने हीट एक्सचेंजर के लिए सीमलेस ट्यूब बनाना है, तो कौन कौन से प्रोसेस से बना सकता हूँ?
सर सर सीमलेस ट्यूब।
हम्म,
सर कास्टिंग हॉल कास्टिंग से।
कास्टिंग। which type of casting? Okay, forget about it now. कोई और प्रोसेस?
सर सर विदाउट बिल्डिंग।
Without welding? I want seamless tube.
सर वी कैन यूज टीआईजी वेल्डिंग, टंगस्टन इनर गैस वेल्डिंग, और एमआईजी वेल्डिंग।
सीमलेस, सीमलेस का मतलब पता है आपको?
समझ गया सर, वो बाई कास्टिंग ओनली।
ओनली कास्टिंग?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we make it by rolling, then it also has
ओनली कास्टिंग?
the deep drying.
डीप ड्राइंग? आर यू श्योर?
Sir, but by this we can't make big pipes or big tubes.
कैन यू टेल मी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन पाइप एंड ट्यूब?
Sir, if the dim, sir, it depends on the diameter. If the diameter is small, then it may be pipe. It tubes, and the diameter is big, then it's pipe. but not sure.
Are you sure? और कोई प्रोसेस जिससे मैं सीमलेस पाइप बना सकूं? एक्सट्रूजन का नाम सुना है आपने? एक्सट्रूजन प्रोसेस,
सर
उससे बन सकता है या नहीं?
सर एक्सट्रूजन से प्लास्टिक का बन जाएगा।
मटेरियल मेटल का नहीं बनेगा?
मेटल प्लास्टिक।
कर्टेन रॉड सुना है? कर्टेन पाइप्स उसी से बनते हैं, एक्सट्रूजन से। एक्सट्रूजन इज बेस्ट फॉर द कर्टेन रॉड्स।
सर पाइप एक्सट्रूजन सुने हैं।
Like we use, like if I want, like we have two heat exchanger, okay? Counter flow heat exchanger and parallel flow heat exchanger. If I want maximum efficiency, which type of heat exchanger I should use?
सर पैरेलल फ्लो हीट एक्सचेंजर।
For the highest efficiency.
यस सर।
If all temperature are constant, you will go for the,
सर पैरेलल फ्लो हीट एक्सचेंजर।
are you sure? But in which case counter flow heat exchanger is more useful?
सॉरी सर।
So equal, now we can conclude your interview. First, like as a mechanical engineer, you should know in which type of heat exchanger we get the highest efficiency, parallel and counter. In which type of heat exchanger we get the normally highest efficiency?
सर पैरेलल फ्लो हीट।
तुम्हें दोबारा पढ़ना चाहिए heat exchanger, ठीक है? अच्छे से पढ़ के जाना इंटरव्यू देने से पहले। दूसरा, हीट एक्सचेंजर पढ़ के जाना, फ्लो इन पाइप पढ़ के जाना। और अगर तुमने ये अपना इंट्रोडक्शन में कहा है तो आईओसीएल में पूरा पढ़ाते हैं पाइपिंग का, पूरा पाइपिंग ही यूज होती है आईओसीएल में, तो यू शुड नो अबाउट पाइपिंग, फ्लो इन हीट एक्सचेंजर। और सेकंड थिंग, फॉर द पैरेलल कनेक्शन और series connection in piping, where we use this type of connection, like where we use parallel one, where we use series one, okay? दूसरा, when you use your words na, pick your words carefully, okay? You tell like the normalizing tempering, when we melted material, go for the solidification. Material always in solid form in heat treatment, na? We never melt. So use your words very carefully. It's not like the solidification. It's like the cooling of the material from recrystallization to normal temperature. Okay. So then, like use your words very carefully. It can make a blender for you, no? So use appropriate words. And second thing, whenever someone asks what the purpose of this process, what the purpose of this, go for the generic words. So for the heat treatment, we want to just desired material properties in our material. That's why we go for the heat treatment. Not always like say we want to increase ductility, we want to reduce hardness. Not like this. Okay. So use generic words as you can. If they go for the depth, why we go for annealing, why we go for temperature, then you can say that. So this is the use of term. If we want to increase ductility, we go for the annealing. If we want the hardness, we go for the cyaniding or quenching. Okay. So use your words carefully. Good. Now, any question from your side? If you want to ask something.
What is the important perspective of view? सर अगर हम जाते हैं इफको में इंटरव्यू देने, मतलब सर अभी तक कोई गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम का इंटरव्यू नहीं दिया, सर क्या क्या एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस दे कैन आस्क हमें?
If you go for the IFFCO, ना, first go for the IFFCO website, okay? उनके वेंचर पढ़िए, उनके विजन पढ़िए, उनके मिशन पढ़िए, उनकी हायरार्की पढ़िए, उनका सीएमडी कौन है, उनके डायरेक्टरेट कौन, थोड़ा सा पढ़ के जाइए किस किस फील्ड में काम करती है। समटाइम्स दे आस्क why we should hire you. So you should know the reason where you fit in their company. You should have that desires, like that desire quality. So you are fixing in that company, okay? And I think this is your first interview. That's why you are more underconfident. So you read properly, things, and use your words calmly, and answer questions slowly in a slow way. Okay. Good.
But
Best of luck.
if they ask that you are from mechanical background, then why you want to come in a fertilizer field? Why you should not go for automobile sector? Then sir, what I can say.
As an engineer, you should know about it. Engineers are like I should